This looper tip should hit a little the needle. And this looper just cross past the needle, but no hitting. The tip of the needle past the tip of the looper past the needle about 2 to 3 micrometers, and the bottom of the looper covers the top of the needle hook, top of the needle hook. The tip of this looper, tip of this part about 1 micrometer above this looper hole. When this looper moves to its left side, maximum left side, this part of the looper and this part of the needle same level. The tip of this looper just in the center of the groove of this looper. Turn the hand wheel, this looper moves to its maximum left, and the needle tip must be in the center of this looper tip, center or about 2 to 3 micrometers left. Both is okay. Turn the wheel, needle goes down. The clearance between this needle and this looper must be as small as possible, but not hit. When the tip of this looper moves to its highest position, the clearance between this tip and the needle plate should be 2 micrometers. Turn the hand wheel, and again, when this looper moves, and when this looper and this looper meet each other, the clearance between this looper and this looper should be about 1 micrometer, but not hit. You see? Just almost touch, but not touch. This screw is for adjusting the height of the feed dog.